What's going on, my people? We are back at Popeyes being greedy. We are being greedy today because we got the 6 Peaks sweet chili wings again. Look at that. Look at that, amazing. I love these wings. These are way better than Wingstop. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that drip. It's about to drip. Ooh, ooh, look at that drip. Drip, drip, drip. Bam. Let's take our first bite. It is delicioso. Y'all, I'm being greedy today, and I'll tell you why. One down, 5 to go. But that's not all I got. I'm laughing because I'm being greedy and I'm being hungry today. I don't know what it is today, but I'm starving. I'm starving today. It's called the Big Box for $6.99. Comes with 2 pieces of chicken, a biscuit, and 2 sides. I'm really greedy today, guys. Look at this big old piece of breast. This is almost as big as my face, not even close. Of course, the mashed potatoes and gravy are my favorite. I got 2 of them. I should have asked for mashed potatoes and gravy and then a side of gravy. That would have been perfect. But I don't know how I'm going to finish all of this. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. So I'm probably not going to finish all of it, promise. I'll probably just bring it back to work and eat it along the way this afternoon. These mashed potatoes are so good. Some people like the gravy. I love the gravy. It's a Cajun spice kind of gravy, and it has some meat in there too. All right, put that to the side. I got 2 of them. Let's get right into this breast. All right, there's that. Oh my God, I better put it right here. And of course, I didn't bring my tray that I said that I was going to get about 2 months ago, and put it in here, and it's still in the closet at home. All right, let's get right into this chicken. Y'all know I preferred Jollibees, but no Jollibees in town. It's about 45 minutes away from me. So Popeyes it is. Oh my God, that's so good. I should have got a side of gravy. I really should have. Look how moist that is. So the big box is only $6.99. It comes with 2 pieces, and it's mixed. You get white meat and the dark meat. Excuse me for talking. Oh, there's no butter. That's all right. Let's get into this biscuit. Jesus. Let's pour some honey on me. Ooh. Y'all probably could tell I've been losing some weight. But today probably not going to be doing it. I'm not going to be losing nothing today. Look at this biscuit. Oh my God. Oh, drip. Almost drip. Oh, this biscuit is so good. Y'all know Church's has the best biscuits. Popeyes is number 2. Yeah, I still got the wings to eat. Okay. A piece of bone. Sorry. I'll be saving this for last. What's going on? Oh my god. My mouth's all greasy. Y'all hear that? You guys hear that crunch? Dude, this is so good. Alright. Back into the wings. Y'all, I'm so greedy. I'm already getting full. I still have 5 more wings left. Ooh, I drip. There's something about this sweet chili sauce. The Popeyes fried chicken wings. It's to die for. Get into it. Get into the crevices, y'all. My favorite flats. I'm trying to eat as fast as possible. As much with you guys. I can't believe I'm doing another Popeyes Mukbang. I just had to. I've been craving these wings like crazy. So, when you order the wings with another meal, it's only $6.99 also. So my total was 15 something for both. Doesn't come with a drink, but luckily I have some water. A couple more bites with you guys. I was gonna do the fish sandwich and I was like, I'm not craving a fish sandwich, guys. I wasn't craving a halibut fish sandwich. But thank you for the 1,000 plus views on the KFC one. I'm sorry, Burger King one. The Burger King fish sandwich, I gotten it again after that, so it's a good fish sandwich. Burger King is just down the block from my apartment. All right, let's get back into the chicken. Let's not waste any more time. Right back into let's get into the thigh. Thighs don't lie. This is where the flavor's at. Oh, take it apart. It's super juicy. Seasoned really, really good. It's not salty at all. It's really not salty. All right, guys. I've got 10 minutes left. See you guys on the next one. Go down, go down. Thank you to all my members. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel on a membership level. Thank you guys all for following me here this month of March with some noodles and some other mukbangs mixed in. And of course, we continue our journey coming up in April for more mukbangs, either in the car or at home, because we don't have a cruise planned at all. I'm not sure if we have an out-of-town thing planned either. So, see you guys on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.